They are already here. Why can't we talk to them? What if I told you that world governments have known about extraterrestrial life for decades? That contact has already happened, but failed. And not because aliens are hostile, but because we are physically incapable of communicating with them. The universe contains more than 2 trillion galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars. The math says one thing: we cannot be alone. This is not science fiction. This is statistics. In 2017, an object called Oumuamua flew through our solar system. It didn't move the way a rock should move. It accelerated with no visible source of thrust. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb publicly stated that it could have been an artificial object. NASA has not definitively refuted this to this day. In 2021, the Pentagon officially acknowledged the existence of UFOs, now called UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. Declassified videos show objects that violate every known law of physics. But here is where it gets truly terrifying. Imagine you want to talk to an ant. Not to harm it, just to talk. You can't. Not because you're evil, but because the gap between you is too vast. Scientists call this the cognitive barrier problem. A civilization that is 1,000,000 years older than ours may think in categories for which we have no words or concepts. Their language may not be based on sound or symbols, but on quantum states, gravitational waves, or something we have not yet discovered. SETI has been listening to space since 1960. In 1977, the famous WOW signal was captured, a 72-second transmission of such power that the scientist wrote "WOW" on the printout in red marker. Since then, silence. Maybe they are talking, just not to us. There is another problem: distance and time. The nearest star to us is Proxima Centauri, 4.2 light-years away. If we sent a signal right now and they responded, we would receive the answer in 8 years. And most potentially habitable planets are thousands of light-years away. This means any civilization we could theoretically communicate with may have already gone extinct by the time we received their signal. We may be listening to the echo of dead worlds. And one last thing. Some scientists suggest that advanced civilizations are intentionally silent because they know something we don't. The first one to reveal itself in the universe takes the greatest risk. So, math says they exist. Physics says contact is nearly impossible. And history says we may have already missed the signal. Maybe we are not alone. Maybe we are just not ready.